A blessed day, everyone, and our devotion for today is found from the book of Joshua, the sixth book of the Old Testament, chapter 13. Land is still to be conquered. Now Joshua was old and advanced in years, and the Lord said to him, "You are old and advanced in years, and there remains yet very much land to possess. This is the land that yet remains, all the regions of the Philistines and all those of the Geshurites, from the Shihor, which is east of Egypt, northward to the boundary of Ekron. It is counted as Canaanites. There are five rulers of the Philistines, those of Gaza, Ashdod, Ashkelon, Gath, and Ekron. And those of the Avim in the south, all the land of the Canaanites and Meara that belongs to the Sidonians, to Aphek, to the boundary of the Amorites, and the land of the Gebalites, and all Lebanon towards the sunrise from Baal-gad below Mount Hermon to Lebo-hamath, all the inhabitants of the hill country from Lebanon to Misrepoth-maim, even all the Sidonians. I myself will drive them out from before the people of Israel. Only allot the land to Israel for an inheritance, as I have commanded you. Now therefore divide this land for an inheritance to the 9 tribes and half the tribes of Manasseh." This is the word of the Lord. Amen.
Everyone, my devotion for today is from Joshua chapter 13, verse 8 to 14. The other half of Manasseh, the Reubenites and the Gadites, had received the inheritance that Moses had given them east of the Jordan, as he, the servant of the Lord, had assigned it to them. It extended from Aroer on the rim of the Arnon Gorge and from the town in the middle of the gorge, and included the whole plateau of Medeba as far as Dibon, and all the towns of Sihon king of the Amorites, who ruled in Heshbon, out of the border of the Ammonites. It also included Gilead, the territory of the people of Geshur and Makkah, all of the Mount Hermon, and all Bashan as far as Selega, that is the whole kingdom of Og in Bashan, who had reigned in Ashtaroth and Edrei. He was the last of the Rephites. Moses had defeated them and taken over their land, but the Israelites did not drive out of the people of Geshur and Makkah, so they continued to live among the Israelites to this day. But to the tribe of Levi he gave no inheritance, since the food offerings presented to the Lord, the God of Israel, are their inheritance, as he promised them. The word of the God. Amen.
Good day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Joshua, chapter 13, verse 15 to 21. This is what Moses had given to the tribe of Reuben, clan by clan, the territory from Aroer on the rim of the Arnon Gorge, and from the town in the middle of the gorge, and the whole plateau past Medeba, to Heshbon and all its town on the plateau, including Dibon, Bamoth Baal, Bet Baal Meon, Jahaz, Kademoth, Mephat, Kiriathaim, Siba, Seret Sahar on the hill in the valley, Bethpor, the slopes of Pisgah, and Beth Jeshimoth, all the towns in the plateau, and the entire realm of Sihon, king of the Amorites, who ruled at Heshbon. Moses had defeated him and the Midianites, Sheb, Ebi, Rechem, Sor, Hor, and Reba, Princess Aliad, with Sihon, who lived in that country. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. Our reading for today is from the book of Joshua, chapter 13. Land still to be conquered. But I'll be reading from verse 22 to 27. The inheritance east of the Jordan. Here is the scriptures. Balaam also, the son of Beor, the one who practiced division, was killed with the sword by the people of Israel among the rest of their slain. And the border of the people of Reuben was the Jordan as a boundary. This was the inheritance of the people of Reuben, according to their clans, with their cities and villages. Moses gave an inheritance also to the tribe of Gad, to the people of Gad, according to their clans. Their territory was Jazer, and all the cities of Gilead, and half the land of the Ammonites, to Aroer, which is east of Rabbah, and from Heshbon to Ramat Mizpah and Bitunim, and from Mahanaim to the territory of Debir, and in the valley Beth Haram, Beth Nimrah, Succoth, and Sapon, the rest of the kingdom of Sihon, king of Heshbon, having the Jordan as a boundary, to the lower end of the sea of Chinnereth, eastward beyond the Jordan. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Joshua, chapter 13, verses 28 to 33. These towns and their villages were the inheritance of the Gadites, clan by clan. This is what Moses had given to the half-tribe of Manasseh, that is, to half the family of the descendants of Manasseh, clan by clan, the territory extending from Mahanaim and including all the Bashan, the entire realm of Og, king of Bashan, all the settlements of Jair in Bashan, 60 towns, half of Gilead, and Ashtaroth and Edrei, the royal cities of Og in Bashan. This was for the descendants of Machir, son of Manasseh, for half of the sons of Machir, clan by clan. This is the inheritance Moses had given when he was in the plains of Moab, across the Jordan east of Jericho. But to the tribe of Levi, Moses had given no inheritance. The Lord, the God of Israel, is their inheritance, as He promised them. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.